Understanding. It's been a while, a guide to a common English expression. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase you've probably heard in movies, songs, or in a chat with English speakers. It's been a while. This seemingly simple phrase carries a lot of context and emotion, and understanding it can really boost your conversational skills in English. So, let's break it down together. At its core, "It's been a while" is used to express that a significant amount of time has passed since a particular event occurred or since you last saw someone. It's a way of acknowledging the passage of time, often implying that too much time has passed and that there's a sense of missing, or a gap, in experience or interaction. While the basic meaning of "it's been a while" is straightforward, its emotional undertone can vary greatly depending on the context. Reconnecting with friends. When you bump into an old friend you haven't seen in months or even years, saying, "It's been a while," is a warm, neutral way to acknowledge the time gap since your last meeting. Referring to activities or habits. If you haven't engaged in a particular activity for a long time, like playing the guitar or visiting a favorite restaurant, you might say, "It's been a while," to express a sense of nostalgia or desire to return to that activity. In professional settings, in work-related situations, "It's been a while" can be used to tactfully address the lapse of time since the last communication or meeting, without implying any negligence or forgotten responsibility. The phrase, "It's been a while," often carries more meaning than the words alone suggest. It can imply feelings of regret, longing, or a desire to reconnect. Recognizing this can help you respond appropriately in conversations, acknowledging not just the time that has passed but also the emotional subtext of the situation. To express the same idea, people might use different phrases or variations. Some common synonyms include long time no see, more casual and colloquial, often used in friendly conversations. It's been ages implies an even longer period of time, with a dramatic flair. It's been forever, similar to "it's been ages," used to hyperbolically express that a very long time has passed. Understanding phrases like "it's been a while" is about more than just the words. It's about grasping the emotions and nuances of communication in English. We hope this video helps you feel more confident and connected in your conversations. Until next time, keep practicing, and remember, every phrase you learn opens a new door in the world of language.